Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to remove a Hyundai Veloster radio. First, gather your essential tools. You will need a plastic trim removal tool to protect your dashboard, a Phillips head screwdriver for various fasteners, and a small flathead screwdriver for prying. Also, have a clean cloth ready to prevent any scratches during the process. Next, we will carefully remove the dash trim panels. Begin by gently prying off the side dash trim pieces using your plastic tool. Then, remove the center console trim panel, followed by the climate control panel. Be sure to unplug all electrical connectors attached to these panels as you go, taking care not to damage them. Now it is time to detach the radio unit itself. Locate and remove the 4 mounting screws that secure the radio in place. Once the screws are out, gently pull the radio unit forward from the dashboard. Carefully disconnect all the wiring harnesses from the back of the radio, ensuring no wires are left attached before fully removing it. With the old radio completely removed, you are ready for the next step. If installing a new unit, connect its wiring and slide it into place. If simply reassembling, reverse the steps. Reconnect all electrical components and test the functionality of your system before securing all the trim panels back into their original positions.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.